This is the Chairman Pro electric face shaver from Manscaped. Here's how to get an old school shave with our new school shaver. The Chairman Pro comes with 2 interchangeable blade heads to give you a gentle, precise shave whether you want a smooth face with the foil head or pristinely chiseled scruff with the stubble head. To switch blade heads, turn the Chairman Pro off and pull the magnetic attached blade head up and away from the shaver. Then install your selected blade head by popping it back on the head of the Chairman Pro. The magnets will grab it and hold it in place. The Chairman Pro was made to work wet or dry. Now that you've prepped your skin, press the power button to turn on the Chairman Pro. Grip the ergonomic handle in whichever way feels most comfortable. You can grip it like a dumbbell or hold it like a paintbrush for more precision. When you've found the sweet spot, hold the foil blade flat against your skin and gently glide up and down. Let the blade head pivot and seamlessly navigate the contours of your face while maintaining even pressure. If you want a little scruff, switch on the stubble attachment and choose one of our length setting combs. Slide the comb into the grooves. Comb 1 will give you a 1 to 2 day stubble look, the other will give you a 3 to 5 day. With the stubble trimmer attachment flat on your face, move the shaver up and down to achieve a consistent length. Repeat as often as needed to perfect your stubble and achieve your desired look. And as a final touch, you can use the precision blade to clean up your sideburns. Tilt the blade head at a 90-degree angle to take advantage of the precision trimming edge, pressing gently against your skin. Move down and away from your hair as you would with clippers. Turn on the LED spotlight to help catch any hard to see or flat-laying hairs. After all that shaving, you're gonna need a cool down. Grab some Manscaped Face Shave Soother and give yourself that post-shave reward. When you're satisfied with your look and feel, power your device down to clean it. Pull the magnetic attached blade head up and away from the shaver and gently shake out the hair from inside the blade head. Rinse away the remaining hair under running water. You can even power the device on for this step to really clear out the spokes. Then, just let it air dry. Reassemble and plug it in to charge up for your next shave. When charging, the LED indicator will blink. You'll be back to full power in about 60 minutes. If you run out of juice early, your shaver only needs a 5-minute quick charge to get you through a full shave. The Chairman Pro is also compatible with wireless charging. It's a stroke of genius. The Chairman Pro from Manscaped.